Is it toxic or harmful to plants and animals? No. Easihold is water-based and non-toxic, so it is animal, plant and child-friendly. However, we would still recommend to avoid spraying directly onto your leaves and to keep animals away during the drying process. Does it change the colour of the stones or mulch? Easihold adds a slight protective sheen that really brings out the natural tonalities of your stones. The sheen fades over time, leaving you with an enhanced but natural stone finish. Is Easihold suitable for driveways? Easihold is not suitable for vehicle traffic, but our parent company, Vuba, is the worldwide leader in drivable permeable surfaces. You will need to contact Vuba for a professional to install the Vuba surface, but you can receive a 5-year Vuba guarantee. What size stone is Easihold suitable for? Easihold works with stones that are between 4mm and 25mm, with the best results for stones between 8mm and 20mm. We'd also recommend to use clean and angular stones for the best results. Does this allow drainage? Yes, Easihold is 100% permeable. That means you can use Easihold to create an area of free draining, hard landscaping on both existing and new natural stones. This is fantastic for the environment in comparison to alternative hard landscaping surfaces such as concrete or paving slabs. How long does it last? Easihold can last up to 3 years when applied according to our instructions. We recommend yearly top-ups for maintenance if the area is prone to foot traffic for extra hold. Do you sell this worldwide? Yes, Easihold is worldwide. We're now stocked in many retailers throughout Europe, we're on Amazon in most of the world, and you can contact us to buy from us directly. Do you need to water it down? No, not with Easihold. Typically, products that are watered down tend to be a PVA product, which can yellow and break down easily. Also, adding significant amounts of water reduces the strength of the final finish. Easihold is 100% acrylic and is applied 100% pure. Does it suppress weeds? Easihold can help to slow down the growth of weeds. However, we would always recommend using a weed membrane underneath the stones to give a guaranteed clean and finished look. Is it difficult to remove if you decide to change the stones or mulch? Easihold has excellent resistance to general traffic, but it is designed to break down by a strong and localized point loading, such as pushing a screwdriver through the surface. Once broken, you can then begin to lift up the stones, and the stones can be broken down and used again as normal loose stones. Is it easy to clean dirt from the stones once they are already held in place? Easihold provides a protective coating, which means moss and algae won't grow on your treated stones. And any dirt which does land on your Easihold treated stone can be much more easily cleaned than before treatment. Is it easy to get Easihold off an area where I don't want it to be? We would always recommend using masking tape, cardboard, or something to cover up any borders or edges where you don't want the Easihold to dry. If anything does go wrong, we recommend using boiling water and a hard brush to scrub away any excess.